Welcome to Social. The media is abuzz after the trailer launch of Akshay Kumar's starrer film Rustom. The movie is based on a real incident concerning KM Nanavati from year 1959. Here's everything you need to know about it. Nanavati was a Parsi man who married English-born Sylvia in 1931. They had 2 sons and a daughter and were settled in Mumbai. Being a naval officer, Nanavati spent most of his time away from home, and in his absence, Sylvia fell in love with his friend Prem Bhagwandas Ahuja. Both wanted to get married if she divorced her husband, but soon Sylvia learned that Prem has been involved with many other girls as well. On April 27, 1959, naval officer Kavas Maneksha Nanavati shot his wife's lover Prem Ahuja with his service revolver. As per the court records, when Nanavati returned home from one of his assignments, he found Sylvia very depressed. On being questioned, she confessed about the affair to her husband, which made him very upset. Nanavati dropped his family at the Metro cinema for a show, but excused himself. He then went to the naval base, collected his pistol, and went straight to Prem Ahuja. At Ahuja's residence, Nanavati asked him whether he intended to marry Sylvia and accept their children, to which Prem replied, "Will I marry every woman I sleep with?" And Nanavati killed him, firing 3 shots. The trial. In court, the main argument was on whether Nanavati shot Ahuja in the heat of the moment or whether it was a premeditated murder. Since Nanavati was a patriotic person serving the country with no criminal background and surrendered willingly, the Bombay Session Court pronounced him not guilty under Section 302. After his lawyers argued that it was a pure case of culpable homicide, not amounting to murder. However, the persecutor Mimi Ahuja, who was Prem Ahuja's sister, did not rest and argued in Bombay High Court that the murder was premeditated, which led to Nanavati being charged guilty and sentenced to life imprisonment. Nanavati garnered huge support from public, including the Indian Navy and the Parsi community. Rallies were held on Mumbai streets demanding pardoning of the convicted officer, and when that didn't seem enough, Prem's sister, Mimi Ahuja, was persuaded to forgive Nanavati. She gave her assent for his pardon in writing, and Nanavati was released after spending 3 years in jail. After his release, Nanavati with his wife Sylvia and 3 children shifted to Canada, where he died in 2003. Now that's a wrap on India's one of the most historic court cases. If you liked it, don't forget to subscribe Social, because we make videos about everything you need to know.